Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Certainly. Here's a delicious chocolate brownie recipe for you. Ingredients: 1 cup 225 grams unsalted butter, 2 cups 400 grams granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup 120 grams all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup 60 grams cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup 175 grams chocolate chips or chopped chocolate, semi-sweet or dark. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x 13-inch baking pan and line it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter. Allow it to cool slightly. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted butter and granulated sugar. Mix well. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, stirring until just combined. Do not overmix. Fold in the chocolate chips or chopped chocolate until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Be careful not to overbake, as the brownies should be fudgy. Remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. Once cooled, lift the brownies out of the pan using the parchment paper overhang. Cut them into squares or rectangles and serve. Enjoy your homemade chocolate brownies. They are great on their own or can be served with a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.